It's amazing being back in Almaty after 10 years. I remember how surprised you were when I suggested coming to Kazakhstan back in 2008. Back in 2004, I was so taken by the friendliness of the people and the beauty of the landscape, and now we get to show our daughters the Museum of Musical Instruments. Girls, this is one of the most unique collections of musical instruments I've ever seen. Wait till you hear some of the legends and stories behind Kazakh musical instruments. Salametsiz bie.
Саламатсыздар ма? Ыхласа атындағы халық музыкалық аспаптар музейіне қош келдіңіздер.
Көп рахмет Жансая. Ути керемет әсер алдым. There is so much talent behind these walls that shows the history and culture of the Kazakh people.
Музейіміздің есігі сіздер үшін әрдайым ашық. Келіп тұрыңыздар.
Thank you again.